You gave that example in the first segment. It was a water softener.
Right.
That was, had been leaking.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so understanding what to do should you ever wake up and have water damage or, have smoke in the home. But understanding who to call first and understanding that the faster you make that call and stop the damages, because you guys have, board up services, blowers for water damage, get it, whatever's creating the damage to stop, get it dried out, get the work going so that we're not having to do a lot of extra work on the end because you didn't know what to do.
Absolutely. And safety is paramount, as Rosie mentioned earlier. I was talking to a customer the other day, and they said water was dripping through their electrical light and the daughter's bedroom. And so the first thing I said is, you need to make sure you're not using that light. and that seems obvious, but she didn't think about that, right? And so I said, put some tape over that light switch so nobody can turn that on accidentally. So safety is the first thing when you have a damage.